one of my biggest goals is to get young Armenians or to have the confidence to own their Armenian heritage. And by own, I mean own at your own terms. But one thing I think many people don't realize is in order to own something, you have to know it, or you have to have some kind of content, appreciation, information. So I hope this class was a door, right? It's not everything. There's no way we could do everything, but I hope it's enough to kind of make you a lifelong appreciator and learner and investigator, and hopefully an owner, again, on your own terms. No one can dictate the terms.